The appearance of white hair of Rasulullah Sallallaahu Alayhi Wa Sallam, as narrated in Zubda to Shama'il, described by Hamal Nadim. The white hair of the Prophet Sallallaahu Alayhi Wa Sallam were few. However, there is a difference in numbers. It is learned from some narrations they were 14, from some they number to 17, 18, and 20 from some. But these differences are not true contradictions. These differences are either due to the difference in the time period or due to the differences in counting. There may be a slip in counting. The Prophet ﷺ did not apply the dye. There is a difference of opinion among the Ulama. Some Ulama have agreed upon its application. Some say that when the hair turns white, it starts by turning red and then white. There was a similar situation with the Prophet ﷺ. The research of Imam Tirmidhi Alayhi is that the Prophet ﷺ never required dyeing, as, up to his final age, very few blessed hairs turned white, which were either on his temples or a few at the place of parting. However, when he ﷺ applied oil on his blessed head, even these few hairs were not visible, either on account of the gloss on the oily hair or due to the sticking together of the hair. Hence, the white hair got concealed as there were very few. The reason cited for the white hair of the Prophet ﷺ, or getting old before time, as understood by the companions radiyallahu anhu, that the Prophet ﷺ said that so and so surah has turned me old. Various surah have been mentioned at different times. It refers to those surah where the horrors of Qiyamah have been mentioned. In one of the narrations, the Prophet ﷺ has said, "If you come to know about the affairs that I know of, you would laugh too little and keep weeping most of the time, to the extent that you would even quit visiting your wives." Allama Zamkhashri Rahmatullahi Alayhi states that I have seen this in a book, that there was a young man with black hair in the evening, and in one night his hair turned completely white. When people asked the reason behind this, he said, "During the night I saw a vision of Qiyamah, wherein people were shackled, dragged, and thrown into the fire, Jahannam. Its hair was so dominating that it transformed me to this state in just one night." Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Authentic Du'as for more upcoming videos on the seerah of the blessed life of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallaahu Alayhi Wa Sallam.